Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up URL redirects in GoHighLevel. Let's dive straight into the heart of the matter. Have you ever had outdated links floating around, or found yourself needing to tidy up long and messy URLs? Maybe you're retiring an old web page and want to seamlessly guide your audience to a new destination without losing any traffic. That's where URL redirects come into play. In this guide, we'll explore the simple yet powerful tool of URL redirects in GoHighLevel. Even if your domain isn't connected yet, don't worry. You can still follow along and grasp the process. Just remember, your redirect won't be fully operational until your domain is live and connected within your GoHighLevel account. Let's get started by navigating to your GoHighLevel location. Once you're there, head over to the settings area. This is the command center where you manage the core controls of your account. Within the settings menu, you'll want to find a section labeled Domains and URL Redirects. This is the specialized area where you have the power to manage your web domains and set up the rules that direct visitors from one URL to another. If you don't see this section, it might be a matter of permissions, or you might need to ensure you're in the right location. Now, let's set up your first redirect. Click on Add a Redirect. This action will bring up a straightforward form with two critical fields, Source and Target. Imagine the source as the point of origin for your visitors. It's where they start their journey. The target is their final destination, the web page or location you want them to end up on. For the source, you'll typically enter a path starting with a slash, such as promo or old page. This tells GoHighLevel to redirect traffic from that specific path on your connected domain. Precision is key here, so make sure you pay attention to details like spelling, hyphens, and trailing slashes. When it comes to the target, you'll need to input the complete destination URL, including the HTTPS// prefix. This could be a page within your GoHighLevel site or any external link you control. If your destination URL includes UTM tracking parameters or query strings, make sure to paste the full URL exactly as desired. One crucial tip: avoid creating redirect loops. In other words, don't set up a redirect that sends visitors back to a page that redirects them to where they started. It's a bit like a dog chasing its tail, confusing and unproductive. In some GoHighLevel accounts, you might encounter options for permanent or temporary redirects. Permanent redirects are usually for long-term changes, while temporary ones are perfect for short-term campaigns. Choose the option that best fits your needs and ensure consistency across similar redirects. Once you've double-checked all the information and everything looks good, hit Add Redirect to save your settings. Typically, changes take effect quickly, though sometimes caching can cause slight delays. If your domain isn't connected yet, the redirect will be saved, but won't be accessible until your domain is active. Once everything is live, test it out by visiting the source path in a private browser window to confirm it successfully redirects to your target URL. That's it for this tutorial on how to set up URL redirects in GoHighLevel. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.